Hello! In this video we'll be going over other measurement settings, including how to change units, how to turn on fine V sub P control, and changing the relative reflection coefficient method. Horizontal measurements can be displayed in meters, centimeters, feet, inches, or yards. To change your units, press Menu, then Measurement, then Units, which is this button right here. You can change it to display in feet, centimeters, inches, yards, meters. Then let's press Main Menu till there's no menu on the screen. Now let's go over how to change the V sub P control. The CT100 TDR displays 3 decimal places for V sub P, as displayed here. However, it can display and adjust up to 6 decimal places for when extremely precise distance measurements are desired. To turn this on, go to the main menu, then Measurement, then select VP 3 or 6 figs to toggle between 3 and 6 figures. There's 6 figures and there's 3. When 6 figs is selected, a new function is added to the multifunction knob, Fine Adjust V sub P, which is right here. When the multifunction knob is set to Fine Adjust V sub P, turning the knob will change the V sub P value by the millionth. Setting it back to the thousandth is possible by pressing the M function knob until coarse V sub P is displayed, like that. Now finally, let's look at changing relative reflection coefficient, or RRC method. The CT100 by default measures the RRC between cursors. When 2 cursors of the CT100 are positioned on either side of a change in impedance, this measurement is the RRC for that change. By default, the CT1 measures RRC in classic mode, displaying the true reflection coefficient relative to the signal at the input of the reflection. The CT100 can also measure in 1502C mode, which displays as a reflection coefficient relative to the signal at the input of the cable. To change modes, first select the main menu, then Measurement, Legacy Options, and change it with the RRC button right here. We can go from Classic to 1502C mode. And that's it for changing units, turning on fine V sub P control, and changing the RRC method. If you have any questions, send me a message. Thanks for watching.